warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for your coming to this presentation. I'm glad to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti. I'm from 4B M.Pd. In this opportunity, I would like to be present about step-by-step long division. Long division is a way to solve division problem large number. Basically, these are division problem you cannot do in your head. Getting started, one of the problem shouldn't have with long division. Problem is remembering all the steps. Here are tricks to mastering long division. Use the acronym DMSB. D or dad equal divide. M or mother equal multiply. S or sister equal subtract. B or brother equal bring down. The sequence of letters can be hard to remember, so think of the acronym in the context of a family. Dad, mother, sister, and brother. Write DMSB in the corner of your worksheet to remember the sequence you're about to use. How to write it down? First, you have to write the problem in long division format. A typical division problem looks like this. Divided 5 by divisor equal question. Divide by divisor equal question. Let's try a fairly simple example. 65 divided by 5 equals. Now, let's write that problem down in long division format. 65 divided by 5. We're ready to start using the acronym DMSB. Step 1. D for divide. Time will 5 go into 65. That's too hard to work out in your head. So let's break into small steps. The first problem you'll work out in this equation is how many times can you divide 5 into 6? The answer is 1, so you put 1 on the question line. Step 2. M for multiply. You multiply your answer from step 1 in your divisor. 1 multiplied by 5 equal 5. You write 5 under the 6. 3. S for subtract. Next you subtract. In this case, it will be 6 multiplied by 5 equal 1. Step 4. Before bring down, the last step in this range is to bring down the next number from the defined, which in this case is 5. Write the 5 next to the 1, making the number 15. Now, you start all over again. Step 1. D for divide. How many times can you divide 5 into 15? The answer is 3. So, you put 3 on the question line. Step 2. M for multiply. You multiply your answer from step 1 and your divisor 3 multiplied by 5 equal 15. Write this underneath the 15. 3. S for subtract. Now, we subtract 15 from 15. 15 subtract by 15 equals 0. There is no need for step 4. We have finished the problem. Once you have the answer, do the problem in reserves. Using multiplication, 5 multiplied by 13 equals 65. To make sure your answer is correct,